Ramadan Mubarak to you all. And today I'm going to make a very quick chicken burger, and this is a really quick dish. It comes together really fast if you have a good chopper. So what I did is I took about 3/4 tablespoons of garlic, added 1 green chili, and a sprig of cilantro. And you could use about 3 or 4, that amounts to about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cilantro. And you could adjust the chilies to your taste. I've taken 4 chicken tenders. You could use 2 chicken breasts. And then I've just blended everything together. So this is what my keema looks like, and then I've added some dry spices to it. I added a teaspoon of salt, and you can add salt to your taste. I had a half teaspoon of black pepper. Again, this is to your taste. And then I added 3/4 teaspoons of onion powder. And onion powder really elevated this taste. Now, if you didn't want to use raw garlic, you could have actually substituted it with some garlic powder. I happen to have fresh garlic, so I decided to use it. Since I had some time, I just, once the mixture was done, I let it sit in the fridge for a while. But you can use this mixture right away and make the burger patties. When I was ready to use the minced chicken, I broke an egg in a bowl, added some salt, some paprika to it, and then I made the burger patties, coated them with the breadcrumbs, and then dipped it in the egg, and then they went to be shallow fried on medium heat. And I shallow fried it 10 minutes on one side and then 10 minutes on the other side on medium heat in a non-stick pan. Now, after frying it for 10 minutes on both sides, after having dipped it in egg, they're ready. Now these can be as cutlets or burger patties or even as a kebab. The choice is yours. But they are cooked very fast and they're very, very flavorful. You must give it a try. So on one side I smeared some spicy mayo, on the other side I smeared some tomato sauce, and you can add just plain mayonnaise and add some lettuce. I am not going to do that because I just don't have lettuce this morning, and so I'm going to put the chicken burger bun in here, and this is lightly toasted bread, and our burger is ready. Here we go. And so this can go in the lunch box, and it's great for Ramadan, just for picnics. You can quickly make it ahead of time and take it with you, or just have it as a cutlet or a kebab. Like, share and subscribe. See you later.